good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are you all doing? Are you all doing all right? Yeah? You sure? You sure? Alright, that's good. Alright, so for those of you who don't know, I do subscribe to the beauty boxes in America, two lots of beauty boxes, the Allure beauty box and sort of the Ipsy boxes. So within Ipsy, I get all three levels, so the glam bag, the Boxycharm and the icon box. I have got two accounts with Ipsy. One account is in my beauty profile, so middle-aged woman, black, deep skin tone, natural hair, loves makeup and all things beauty. The second account is in my daughter's beauty profile, so she is younger, in her early 20s, much lighter skin tone, different hair type, not so much into the makeup as such, but you know, she'll wear a little bit of makeup, likes a little bit of skincare, likes a little bit of hair care, she likes a little bit of this, that and the other. So most of the times when I do the selections and choices, I will do things for me, but if there's something that my daughter would like, I will make sure I pick it for her. Alright, in May was an icon beauty box month, so the icon box is one that comes out every 3 months. So in one of my accounts I got the icon box and in the other account I got the Boxycharm. So today I'm going to be doing the Boxycharm box and then I'll do the icon box probably at the weekend for May. So don't forget, this is all May stuff because I'm in the UK and I get stuff shipped over. I'm always behind in my reveal of my boxes. Alright, so we got the icon, the Boxycharm today. So this is the contents. Actually, it looks like there's more things in here than there should be, but we will see. This is my Boxycharm box for the month of May. That's kind of what it looks like at the moment. But it definitely looks like I've got a few extra things in here. So yeah, let's crack on and do this. I am just going to open it all up on my app. So excuse me 1 second. Alright, I've got everything up on my app. So let's crack on and do the first lot of items and I'll figure out what these extra things are as well. Oh, wait a sec. Okay, so the first item is something from Mercy Handy. I do remember that the May choices weren't great. I don't know what was wrong with May, but the May choices weren't great. I just remember that. Okay, so the first item is from Mercy Handy and it is a cleansing gel. It's supposed to be, I'm having a look at this, it's supposed to be, it says on the thing here, yeah, it's 150 mils and it is a facial cleansing gel. It has got 4.3 out of 5 stars. 956 people have reviewed it. They're saying it's it says here, hit refresh on your skincare routine with this gentle yet effective cleansing gel. It effortlessly removes makeup, excess oil and impurities, while niacinamide helps soothe salicylic acid, helps fight blemishes, and zinc helps keep sebum in check. So this is actually something that can't speak this evening. This is something that might work quite well for me because I've got very oily skin. Even though I'm 56 years old, I have got very oily skin. With a light nature-inspired scent and a purifying formula, it helps leave your skin feeling fresh, soft and perfectly balanced. Yeah, and they're saying it was worth $18. It's not the most expensive of items. With the Boxycharm boxes, you do get 5 full-size items in the box, and then if you want to, you can subscribe to the Beauty Boost, which I do. So I get the Beauty Boost item, which is an additional $15, and it's something that should have a value of at least $40. So I will do the Beauty Boost at the end of this. Right, next we've got from Laura Geller, so let's see if it's inside this pen box. Right, so we've got from Laura Geller here, and Laura Geller, we've got Style Eyeliner Duo. So we've got 2 eyeliner duos. Value is $29. We have got a review of 4.1 average out of 5 and 699 people have reviewed it. So this versatile eyeliner duo has you covered, whether you're going for a sleek, subtle line or a bold, dramatic look. With creamy formulas in a rich purple and a warm brown, they glide on effortlessly for smooth, precise definition, perfect for every occasion. Alright, so the brown probably won't show up on my skin tone. I don't believe it will, but the dark purple I'll definitely go for. I'll have a look and see what the colours are like. Let's get this out of the box. So I'll definitely be keeping the dark purple. If the brown is a nice dark brown, I'll give it to my daughter. But we will see. I need to get it out of the box first so I can check the colours. Gosh, that was hard. Right, so this is what they look like. And those are the colours, so they're saying. Right, so Laura Geller. So Laura Geller is the person who does the Balance and Bright foundation, which I love. And honestly, the Balance and Bright foundation videos, which I've done on my channel, they're like some of the most popular videos I've done on my channel. It's like I've got thousands of people who have seen those videos, every one I've done. So that's the colour. This is not a colour that's going to show up too well on my skin tone, going by that. So I'm going to give this to my daughter. She might like it. Oh, I've just smudged it. Sorry. And then we've got the purple. That's what the purple looks like. Let's do this. Okay. Yeah, I can go with that. I like that. And it's creamy as well. So that's good. So, yeah. So one will go to my daughter and one I'll keep. So that's fine. So that's the second item. What did they say it was worth? Again, it wasn't very high value, was it? Yeah, they're saying $29. Right, okay. Alright, let's do the third item. Next, oh yes, I remember choosing this. Ooh, look at the state of this box. This box has been through the war a little bit, hasn't it? This is the Blink Amplified Tubing Mascara in black. I'm actually using the travel size version of this mascara at the moment, and I really like it. It's nice black and it's tubing mascaras. I do like tubing mascaras. I think that's why I chose this one, because it's the full size of it. So it's an amplified tubing mascara in black. I did pick this. Oh, I didn't say, the first two items, the cleansing gel and the eyeliners, those were the two what they call power picks from Ipsy. So these are the items they pick for you based on your beauty profile. Right, so this is my first pick. Yeah, so with Boxycharm boxes you pick 3 items. So I picked this mascara, which I'm happy about. I will destroy this box because it's already mangled to death already. Look at the state of that. But yeah, tubing mascaras I like. So yep, so that's the full size of this. So more than happy with that. So that is good. Then we've got the next item is from Elemis, and I picked this. This is Elemis Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix. I think this is quite a high value item actually, and I think I might have got this twice. So it's 300 mils. They're saying it's worth $165 in the States, flipping next. So it's going to be pretty expensive over here, isn't it, in the UK? Because I think Elemis is a UK brand, I want to say. So over here, it's going to be at least 70 odd pounds, isn't it? So we've got 30 mils, Elemis Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix. It's got reviews of 4.8 out of 5. 716 people reviewed it. This overnight treatment helps replenish and plump skin with moisture, helping to improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Formulated with Padina pavonica, microalgae, drone peptide technology and wild indigo oligosaccharides, good grief, it helps skin look and feel more relaxed and renewed by morning. Alright, okay, a lot of people giving it lots of positive reviews. Yeah, 602 people gave it 5 stars, 78 gave it 4, 19 gave it 3, 5 people gave it 2, and 12 people gave it 1. Right, so it's a very popular product indeed. So yeah, I will be keeping this. You know what, I'm not sure if I will be keeping it, because you remember I said that I paid an extortionate amount in shipping and customs for my stuff to come over from America. So what I might end up doing is I might end up selling this one on YouTube. I'll just have a look and see how much people are selling it for on YouTube. But this might be one of the products I might sell on YouTube just to make up some of my costs, because I'm not short on night creams, so you know, and I'm not really worried about wrinkles and dry skin, which most people do tend to worry about. So I might, yeah, I might end up selling that, to be honest. So if you're interested in it, have a look out. I'll just have a look and see how other people are selling the product on YouTube, and then on YouTube, on eBay, and then go from there. But yeah, I think I'm going to be selling that, sort of recover some of my monies. Right, next, so these are some high value item there. Next is the next product I picked, and it's a perfume. So we like a perfume. Where is it though? Right, not in this box. Did they put it in a... Because I've got a little bag here of stuff. Is it in here? Who is it by? Right, not in here. Memoir Archives, that's not this one. Right, looks like I've got lots of perfumes in this shipment. Yeah, no wonder my shipping cost was so expensive. Right, I've just got to find the perfume. So they might have packed it, Stackry might have put it in the icon box. So excuse me one second whilst I try and find it. Right, it looks as if the perfume, I didn't receive it. I have got a perfume in my collection, but not the one I'm expecting. So where that is, I don't know. So I need to chase that up with Ipsy. Then I did pick some add-ons. So let's go through the let me do the Beauty Boost first. So the Beauty Boost was from Murad. So I have got that. So this is Murad Beauty Boost, and it's a retinol resculpt eye treatment. So I have seen this before, and I think literally I got this just to sell on, because there wasn't really anything else in the selection for Beauty Boost I was interested in. So this is the retinol resculpt eye treatment, value $92. I think I'm going to be selling that one as well. So there's going to be Murad on my site on eBay to sell, and I'm going to also have the Murad night mask on for sale as well. Not great. Let's have a look at the add-ons quickly before my camera battery runs out completely. So in the add-ons I bought a couple of these things. So these were in the choices, and I decided not to get them, but I decided to buy them in the add-ons. So yeah, I decided not to choose these. So these are from Half Kate, and they are eye and cheek palette in Duality Rosy Neutral, and I bought it in the other shade, which was in Neutral. So there's one supposed to be for sort of fair light skin, and one was supposed to be sort of for medium dark skin tone, but not dark enough for me. So I'll show you both of them, because I did get these as add-ons. So this is the lighter one, I believe. This is the Rose Neutral. So you can see you've got this colour here. It could be used as a bronzer and a blush. The rest of those are kind of like neutral eyeshadows shades. This is the Duality one. Okay, so there's that one. And then you've got the other one. Right. This one I think is the one they put for my skin tone in my choices, but I don't want this. I don't want this one either, to be honest. Don't think so. I might keep it, I'm not sure. So yeah, this is the one they picked for me in my choices, but I decided not to go for it. I mean, I might keep this, I'm not sure. So this is the one they called Neutral. See, I would have called the first one Neutral in my opinion, but yeah, there you go. So those two I purchased in Addons. And then what else did I get? I also purchased Pro Collagen Rosemarine Cream from Elemis. Let's have a look at this. The information is not available, but it's that. So it's like a travel size of that. So I got that in Addons as well. I think that was probably sort of $3.50. It looks like the size. Then I also got these, some face masks, because you know I love a face mask. These are from Dr. Yacht Dermas Pore Recting Solution Face Mask. It's 5-pack. Let's open these up. Yep, so it's just face mask. Yep, so there's 5-pack from there. So that I definitely got for myself to use. And then I showed you the Beauty Boost, which was the Murad Retinol Resculpt Eye Cream, which has got, what's the value of it? Yeah, they're saying $92, but I will put the UK price of the products up on the screen, and chances are I will be selling that on eBay. Alright, so what I will be doing, the products that I am keeping, or I'm going to be putting on eBay, I'm going to put a running total of those values of those products, because if you remember, I'm just keeping a running total just to make sure that I'm making my money back from how much it cost me to ship everything over. Because to ship everything over, so all my boxes and products, it was like 250 quid. So I want to just keep a running value of all of the products just to make sure I've made my money back and I'm getting products that I want out of it. Because if I haven't, Lord, I'm going to be annoyed. Alright, so that was my Boxycharm for May. It wasn't the best, it really wasn't, and I'm a bit annoyed that I haven't got that perfume as well. That's really annoying. So I will be following up on that to see what's happened there. Alright, let me know what you think about my box down below. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.